If you're looking for homemade pickles that taste just like the ones from the store, but even better, you're in the right place. Smirk. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make crispy, flavorful pickles at home that everyone will ask you, where did you buy these from? Single quote quote. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you all the tips and tricks to get that perfect crunch and delicious flavor in just 1 week. Quote. The first method is the fermentation method, which is much healthier and more useful for the body. If you're a pickle lover and want to make them at home with your own hands, don't miss this recipe. Quote. The second method is ready for an hour and only the taste of salted cucumber will be taken. And that's how you make the best homemade pickles. Crunchy, flavorful, and super easy. Smirk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like red heart. Leave me a comment and let me know what recipe you'd like to see next. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Quote, "Till the next video, stay tasty. Yummy face leaf in wind."